everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we are making chocolate chip muffins. To begin with, we are putting our dry ingredients together. It's 250 grams of plain flour, 45 grams of cocoa powder, 125 grams of caster sugar, 65 grams of light brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. We will then be mixing together 2 eggs, 150 ml of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 175 ml of hot water. Don't do this immediately out of a boiling kettle, you will scramble your eggs. The kettle I've got, you can control the temperature on it, so it wasn't so bad. We will then be adding our dry mix to the wet mix and mixing those together, and then adding 110 grams of melted butter and most of your chocolate chips. It says 125 grams here. I don't think I really weighed mine, to be honest. Once you're happy with those, we'll be putting those into the tulip muffin cases and topping with what was left of your chocolate chips. They'll be going in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Just as a side note, compared to last week's muffins, I do think the Greek yogurt helps them rise better because these didn't rise very much at all. I was speaking to a chef at work and they agreed with me. They think it's the yogurt. Let me know if you make these and how you get on. As always, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.